right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Yeah, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. This is Kai Reports. How are we all doing today? I just want to give updates. There's a video that is circulating on social media about the ongoing genocide going on in Biafra land. Please, if you are not, if you have maybe high BP, like if you are, maybe you have health issue, okay, and you can't stand some of this video. There's nothing, you're not gonna see Ozumadi here, but if you are concerned and each time you hear, ugly news from our land and it triggered you, it causes you some high blood pressure, you can condole it, you can't stand it, please ignore this video. It's gonna be a short video though. I knew that some of us must have watched video from the makeup complaining bitterly and giving security alert to people. Even Gentle did the same thing. Those that lives in Okigwe should youth. If you can't stand it, you should leave. Everything they said, all those warnings that have been circulating on social media for some days now. This is past last week, last 2 weeks. That warning is not taking place. That's prediction of Gentle and then Jamaica. These are people that came out and warned anybody that lives in Okigwe to stay away or to stay security, to be security conscious. Honestly, I don't think this is just security conscious. The warning should have been, please leave. Because for people to invade community and pick anybody that want to buy them and chop off their head, it's no longer combing community like they claimed, like Quebec, Woodic, and all of them have been propagating all this while. This is not about combing the villages, because you buy people and chop off their head, behead them. I mean, that is not what army is known for. No, you can only see this one maybe in a horror movie or maybe in a very terrible zone that has to do. I have not seen any video of Nigerian army doing this to communities where Boko Haram reside. We have not seen anything like that. That's my concern. Like, I don't think it's something that anybody should be proud of. How can you just come up and begin to, do this kind of thing? It is horrible, very, very, very horrible. And I don't know how to put it better so that you can understand the video. What I was seeing now is Okigwe in Imo State. Okay, Okigwe in Imo State is very, very terrible. For example, what you are seeing here, when you check here now, this spot black you are seeing here is somebody. Okay, so camera is about to get to that place, but I don't want it to bring it up. So because of the committee guideline of the channel, of the platform. So when you see here, what you are seeing here, although after this, we are gonna release the audio so you hear what the person that recorded the video said, because he gave better explanation of what happened. But I'm just telling you that what you are seeing here now, as you can see my mouse moving here now. The original video, what I mean by original video, the one that this video I'm going to post on a WhatsApp group, and I'm going to also put it on Twitter. But the similar video that I put on Twitter last week, Twitter sent me a warning that I should. I don't know. I'm watching people posting this kind of graphic images and all that, and they don't have any restriction. I don't know why Twitter warned me on that and said that I should not. In fact, they removed it. They asked me to agree, then I agreed. They removed it. So I don't know if so please, I will encourage you to check. For those of you that followed me on WhatsApp channel, just expect this video. I'm gonna put it there. And some of you that are asking me, because each time I drop video, yeah, I said something like this. I'm going to post this kind of thing in a WhatsApp group. That's the only way you want to join WhatsApp group. Some actually joined after watching the existing the WhatsApp group. You are lucky that I cannot pick your number. If I know your number, I will block you. It can never come there again. Some of us are very, very, you know, some of us know how spirit of discouragement. Once they come closer to you, they will pollute your mind. Some of the attitude that I saw in that WhatsApp group actually made me not to further put in something there. But for this one, I'm going to put it there. What will happen now is that I'm going to take this video down so that the cameraman can then pass it. Okay. So let us continue, because everything going on there, like I told you, is something that you don't need to watch. That one, you don't need to see it. You don't need to see it. It's very, very terrible. Very, very, very sad indeed. Very, very sad. So let me just pretend that nothing is going on there. Okay. After this, we are going to put the entire video so that you watch it. But before then, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I would like to hear from you. Let me know what is your take. Let me know what you think about everything, what is going on, everything that is going on in Okigwe as we speak. It is very, very horrible, very, very terrible, very, very sad. And for those of us that have family in Okigwe, if you still have people hanging around in Okigwe, I think it is right time to, if your own family are still there, or maybe if you have a brother, a sister, anything man or anything young man. In fact, I can't even leave even a baby there, to be honest with you. To be honest with you. This is what is going on now because PM Samonekpa is not here. That is it. And to Finland and those that signed petition, I'm coming for you now, because one thing, you see the blood that is going on, that people are wasting, these people are wasting in Okigwe, for example. Citizen observer, a mega gift, Master Mekano's wife, all of you know yourself. Those that went there to witness to testify against PM, those that create petition that they submitted to Finnish government. Obalanda Maganaka. I'm just telling you so that you should get there. And I want to use this medium to advise or to beg USB government, please, can you guys set up petition for the kind of petition for PM that we are going to channel it to Finland so that they will know what Biafrans are thinking, because not sending one media to Biafran land to observe and come back and give a report based on what US they saw there told them, because I believe that it could be even US that are knocking at the doors of these journalists and told them to let us go to Nigeria to see that Biafrans are sitting at home because they are afraid. Please, it is not. I think it is high time for USB government, Biafran government, to set up petition so that I believe it will help. Do something that those people did to support the arrest of PM. I think it should be a very good idea. Anyway, let's watch it. Just pay attention. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you and God bless you. Watch.
December Okigwe, yesterday 10th of August. How about Okigwe? Hanebush youth from 18 years go up. Hanebu for 17 years go up. Habru hishi. For 17 years go up. Habronya hishi. And from 18 years go up. Habronya civilian. Habru hishi. Habu mad habronya hishi.
So I have to take it down because of the video like I told you.
What? Even the one Okigwe the dry.
I have to bring it down.
Ever Bruma the Brunya Hishi.
This is
Bruma the Brishi. Civilian, Bonya Brishi. I call youth. Gbachulu ndị mmadụ ọkụ.
Look at this young guy. This young guy.
Gbachulu ndị mmadụ ọkụ. Lenụ na Okigwe ama anọdịwa. Look at ya Nigeria zoo mere. Lekwulo ndị mmadụ. Zuo ihe niile ju n'ụlọ ndị mmadụ. Ma imi n'ihu. Ma ihu ha ka juru n'ihu. N'ụlọ ha mebiri emebi ka nkụ. Biko lee ihe ndị Nigeria mere ụlọ. Shop ụlọ ndị mmadụ na Okigwe. Yesterday being 10th of October, lekwa ha mere ụlọ ndị mmadụ. Gbuo ofu onye ebe a bụrụ ya isi. Ofu civilian bụrụ ya isi. Lee ma shop ndị mmadụ. Lee m ụlọ ndị mmadụ. Ha makachara gate gaa n'ụlọ. Fụcha ihe nlejuru n'ụlọ gwụrụ agwụ. Today 10th. As in yesterday 10th of October. Ole ihe n'ụlọ gwụrụ agwụ. Ihe n'ụlọ gwụrụ agwụ. Lekwacha akwụkwọ ha. Lekwacha. Ma arụsị ha ṅụrụ aṅụ. Ma arụsị ha ṅụchara aṅụ lekwa ụlọ mmadụ. Ya mere ụlọ mmadụ. Lee shop mmadụ. Yesterday 10th. Lekwa ihe mere ụlọ mmadụ na Okigwe. Kutucha ma fence mmadụ na Okigwe ndị amị. With ndị Fulani. Joint team, how join up? How join up?
Hey, oh God. And they're doing this, excuse me, they are doing this as a buying people, they are looting their property, destroying houses. This is not a war alone. This one is genocide. I'm telling you. Anyway, please, I would like to know your take on this. What do you think about it? What's your take? A lot of questions to be asked, a lot of dust on the air, a lot of issue. Many things is going on now. But let me just hear from you. Put your comment. Let me know what you think about this. It is terrible, honestly. It's just that, don't worry, I'm gonna send you. I will upload this video on my WhatsApp sharply. God bless you. Please like the video and share it on many platforms. Let me know your take. Your comment is very, very important. God bless you and bye-bye.